Hey, hi, this is Angel from International Repair. This is the bearing. It's old technology. It's amazing. The chain stay inside from this hole, deliver the oil inside, and we just rebabbiting. Old technology, very solid and very useful. Still existing in Chicago elevators, and this is the sheave where the bearing sliding. It's gotta be smooth and very smooth to slide it over the Babbitt, and the chain is going in and deliver the oil. Yes, we hold it, and that's how we balance it on the chuck. We put 3 counterweights, and we're gonna machine it to the size. We put $4,000 to $5,000 thousands for the clearance, and that's it. Yeah, this is the before the Babbitt. We made everything in the house from the scratch. The Babbitts are pin-based Babbitt, and we machine it now. Very old technology, and this still existing today. All the motors of the cars, the bearings are made from the Babbitt kind of it, because it's a sliding bearing and a lot of take a lot of use and so on. That's why they still use them for this kind of job. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to our channel. International Repair, Chicago. Repair the elevators. If you have any questions, just call us. Thank you. Bye.